Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 3.0 D250 90 X-Dynamic. Now this vehicle is the diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. This car does feature a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you are able to see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps any essentials you need to travel with. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Windsor light cloud leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 5,113 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, along with different terrain response drive modes, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. Pairing with this nicely, it also features a off-road camera, once again ideal for those off-road days. You also have a 360 view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Now the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Defender 3.0 D250 90 X-Dynamic. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.